positive environment is crucial to me. I love having a clean space and lighting a candle. Thanks to Dossier, my home not only feels incredible, but it smells amazing. They have products like candles, diffusers, and of course, luxury perfumes. Huge thanks to Dossier for sponsoring this video and making luxury fragrance accessible to everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, my name's Makeda. If you're oldie but goodie, come sit down, goodie. So my face looks super swollen. I don't know, like I'm gaining weight, and when I gain weight, I gain it in my face. I don't know, it's just always been like that. My thighs and my face. Number 2, Happy New Year. I know I said it last video, but I just want to wish you guys a Happy New Year once more. My new year officially starts next week. Today is Saturday, the 20th, and my new year is starting on Monday. Today I just have like some things like I have to do within the house. I have to take down the Christmas tree. I feel like this Christmas tree is gonna be up until next Christmas if I don't take it down now. So today I'm gonna take down the Christmas tree. I'm planning out some videos that I have to do tomorrow. I'm gonna like write it out today. So I think this is gonna be the 3rd vlog. Yeah, so vlog, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm attempting to film 5 videos tomorrow. Just get back into like the swing of things. And then also I finished my site for Hair Oh So Lavish. I'm so excited. It looks so good. So we have so much going on. So the first, I know my best friend's husband's birthday is this month. Then February is my grandma, my aunt, my friend. So 4 people have birthdays in February. March is your favorite girl. March is my birthday. I'm actually going on vacation. I'm convincing my aunt to actually go on vacation. So my aunt's birthday is on a Tuesday, I believe. Her birthday is February 20th. So her birthday is February 20th. So I'm literally trying to convince her, let us go on a 2-day trip. Like it'll be so much more fun. She said yes. I found like a hotel and everything. So if she can get someone to work for her for one of her days, then that would be great. But so far I'm just gonna take down the Christmas tree. I'm gonna like, so yeah, so I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of that. I'm gonna literally, I have my post-it notes because I have to write out how much money I want to make this month because I am on it. I just want to, yeah. So I will talk to you guys in a bit. I'm gonna eat some breakfast, do some work, which is not excited. And then yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Y'all, I'm here with Auntie. Mom left me. Mom left me. Look, my cup of tea. We just went to the grocery store. Where's your face? We just went to the grocery store. Look at my hair. Yeah. Just went to the grocery store. So today, what happened? Went to the plastic surgeon's office, got my chemical peel. I should let her do my whole butt. She only did the top and she charged me all of it. Yeah, but Mom said I didn't need it, but I think she should have did the whole area so it peels together. So anyways, I did that. It was my first time, but she said I can come back. If I go back, I'm gonna tell her I'm not paying. I'm like, this didn't work. So anyways, I did it. Mom came in and met me there. Then we got food. What else did we do? That's it? Oh, we went and bought a new washer. We upgraded our washer. Is my track coming out? Not my track, my clip-in. And then we came back and got Auntie. Auntie ran her errands and we went to the grocery store, and now we're about to go home. And then we watched a story on TikTok. What do you have to say about that story? TikTok be giving all the business.
I don't know what to say.
Let me give you the backstory, and then Leisha can think about what she's gonna say. This beautiful woman, she's good looking, right?
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Married to this man. She found on the credit card that this woman was like authorized, whatever. For 10 years, her husband's been cheating on her. And the husband told her, not that we're gonna work it out, nothing. Just said that she's not gonna F up his money.
It's crazy.
That's all you gotta say?
Man will always be man.
And dog will always be dog. Not all men are like that. Anyways, this is the end of the vlog. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm trying to like get back in the rhythm.
The people almost long to see me.
Say hi to them.
I'm busy.
You didn't even wish him a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Me no come for the vlog for when.
In a long time. And her birthday's coming up.
Girl busy.
Yeah. Her birthday's coming up. When's your birthday? Rihanna, her birthday is the same day as Rihanna's.
I wonder if Rihanna mad like me.
I think so. I think so. And then it's Mama's birthday after.
Mama before for me.
No, Mama's just the 27th. Anyways,
Okay.
alright. Bye guys. We will see you in the next vlog. I'm trying to convince Auntie to go on a birthday trip. She don't want to go. She's not fun.
Only place want to go Jamaica.
Then go.
No.
Yo, I want her to go to Miami so bad. Because it's so nice. And she's like, I don't want to go.
I'll think about it. We'll see. We'll see.
They don't have to say yes or no to me. I put on my clothes and I'm gone, you know. All right, bye guys.